Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So today we're looking at a KM110. Now this horn is an Airchime version of the 110. It also is the earlier one with the Bronze Powerchamber. Your later Airchime versions had aluminum power chambers, and then your most recent is actually Kahlenberg, and they're still aluminum, but they are branded Kahlenberg as they bought the rights from Airchime back some years ago. So they manufacture these horns now. This specific 110 came off the Canadian Enterprise, or later named the Algoma Enterprise. That horn was scrapped, I believe, back in 2018 or 19. So anyway, this is the horn off of it. I am kind of doing it out here on this tailgate, as it is a pretty big horn, so a little more room to work with out here than in the shop. So here's just a quick walk around. This is the new truck, the Dodge I got for just blowing horns, so I can have a dedicated horn honk rig now, so that's cool. So anyway, I've got 1/2 inch line running to it. Really air efficient. I actually did 2 runs with this horn. I didn't do drive-bys, but I did the master salute with some other honking at 2 different locations on the lake. And I've still got, shoot, I don't know. Well, I'm down to about 90 PSI, which these tanks slowly leak, and this has been about 4 hours ago, so, you know, pretty air efficient. But anyway, park ranger did get a little frustrated at one of my spots, so probably won't go back there, but you'll see that in the video. But anyway, really cool horn, good sounding horn. 110 stands for 110 hertz. So anyway, y'all enjoy this, guys. This is the Canadian Enterprise KM110. Mm-hmm.